Hi guys, it's Julia from TemplateMonster. Recently we talked about the difference between UI, UX and web designers. So as an aspiring designer, you have to be aware of industry standards and trends. To help you get inspired and learn something new in the process, we made a list of Instagram accounts that might catch your eye. These guys post their work, some behind-the-scenes shots, prototyping, and talk about their routine as designers. You can find all the links to their accounts in the description box, so let's get started. So let's start with this one. As we can see here, this guy makes a lot of concept work featuring some brands, TV series, movies and stuff. The design itself is really clean and modern, and Matt truly knows how to present his work using mock-ups and photography. It's really cool actually. The second one is this lady. As we can see, she really likes to use some bright color combinations, and what I personally like is that she uses some really interesting font combinations as well. She also shares some behind-the-scenes stuff. The next designer surely likes to use some color combinations, interesting layouts, artwork, colorful shapes, and as we can see, he's good at making things look artsy. The next designer, he likes to use bold, big fonts, asymmetric layouts, and in general, I can say that his design is minimalism on the edge with brutalism and anti-design. Moving on to the next designer, he shows here some prototypes, behind the scenes, process, product packaging as well. If you're interested in this, it can be useful for you. He also talks about his thought process behind the scenes, and he also does coding. The last profile, we can see that this guy has more traditional approach to website design. He also occasionally posts illustrations and logo works, so you can check this out. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will go and check these guys out because we think that they have some cool stuff to show you and that their work can be really inspiring for you. You can find all the links in the description box. By the way, find this red subscribe button under this video and hit it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Do it! By the way, find this red subscribe button under this video and hit it. Bye. It's not good.